We need to sketch these graph on 3 different axes. Okay, so let's start with A. So here the x-intercept when y equals 0, x equals -1, 3 and 5. Okay, and when x equals 0, put x equals 0, you get y equals 15. So I've got the x and the y intercepts. So, and it's a positive cubic. It's a cubic graph, so it's a positive one. So it'll start from here. It'll go through -1. Okay, so let's get a different color pen. So let's take that one. So it'll go. That's not quite good. Goes through -1. Okay, and that, now let's label it. That's -1, that's 15, that's 3, and that's 5. Okay, and let's do the part B. We've got here when y equals 0, x equals 5 and -1 and -3/2, and when y equals 0, when x equals 0, y equals 15. Okay, now this one is a negative cubic, so it will start from this quadrant. Okay, so minus, so it goes start again. See, sometimes you have to do this if it doesn't, the shape doesn't look right. Okay, so you start there, then it comes down. Okay, that's brilliant. And so now label the axes, which is -3, -1, that's 15, and that's 5. Okay, now for part C, it's a quartic. Okay, so that means it's x to the power of 4 if I expand this out. So let's do the same thing for that. When y equals 0, x equals 0 because of that, x equals 1, x equals 2, and x equals 3. And when x is 0, y equals -6. If you multiply -1 times -2 times -3. Okay, so it's a quartic, so it will start from here. Okay, it's a positive quartic. So it starts from here, so it goes, sorry, y equals 0. What am I doing? When x equals 0, y equals 0. Silly me. Okay, so so we start sketching the graph. 0 goes to 1, 2, 3. There. Okay, now let's label the axes. So that's 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's your quartic graph. Okay, so work out the x and the y intercepts, sketch the graph, label the axes. Okay.